I'm gonna show you how to make the ultimate holiday salad. This is a persimmon salad with pomegranate seeds, goat cheese. It has the best maple vinaigrette dressing. It's a dressing that we have in our cookbook. It is so good. I'm telling you, this salad will make your holidays a little more merry and bright. And I am craving some persimmon salad, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is toast your pumpkin seeds on a dry skillet until they're fragrant. Mine are already pre-toasted. Now for the dressing, combine extra virgin olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, real maple syrup, then add Dijon mustard and 1 large garlic clove, and you can grate that into your dressing or use a garlic press. Then season with salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. As always, you can find the exact measurements in the description or on my blog, natashaskitchen.com. Now just whisk that all together, and if you're making this salad ahead of time, I like to also make it in a mason jar, that way you can just shake it up before you need it. Alright, let's assemble this persimmon salad. Start by putting your mixed salad greens into a large salad bowl. Now the easiest way to take the tops off of your persimmon is with a teaspoon. Just get that spoon under the top and flip it off. Make sure you're using fuyu persimmon, which can be enjoyed even while they're crisp. Slice those up into thin segments. Persimmon are some of my favorite winter fruits, and if you've never tried one, they're sweet and they kind of taste like a cross between an apple and a pumpkin. They are wonderful in the salad. If you can't get them while they're in season, you can substitute them with apples or pears. Add your sliced persimmon over your salad greens, then it's time to seed our pomegranate. Make sure you watch our tutorial on how to seed a pomegranate in 1 minute. It is so easy. I'll make sure to link to that video. Add a generous amount of the pomegranate seeds, then add your crumbled goat cheese. And last but not least, sprinkle on your toasted pumpkin seeds. Nailed it! Alright, our salad is ready. That was seriously one of the easiest salads to put together. And if you've never peeled a pomegranate the fast way, I have a 1-minute tutorial. It'll like change your life. If you love pomegranates, definitely check that out. I will link to it. But just before serving this salad, that is when you want to dress it. Otherwise, the salt in the dressing can soften the greens. So you just want to put it on right before serving it. You can add it to taste, but I usually use the whole amount. And you don't even have to stir it because the dressing makes its way down through the salad. I like to leave it unstirred or like just give it a quick toss right before you serve it because it's so beautiful that I feel like I ruin it when I toss it. All right, we're gonna dress this because I am so hungry for this salad. We're gonna put it into the pretty dressing container.
Really?
Yes. My husband's over there like she's getting another thing dirty. Look at how festive this looks now. Come on. Okay, now we dress the salad. Oh, yes. You want every coat to be saucy. All right, the dressing is on. And again, you can add it to taste, also depending on how big you make your salad. Okay, and I'm gonna serve this up because it is just calling my name. All right, let's serve this a lot of everything. That's how it goes. Okay, and seriously, this is so yummy. So many colors, so many textures and flavors going on here. Make it for the holidays and it will be the talk of the table because it is so special. Likes to sprinkle. I kind of skimped on those. Don't do that. Try to get a little bit of everything on my fork. Okay, let's do this. Ooh. It's so nice. That dressing adds a little something something for sure. And it's a maple vinaigrette, so it's not too sharp. I think it's perfectly balanced and it is perfect for this salad. It's got all the winter and fall vibes. So cozy, it's so hearty. I love the creamy goat cheese in there. It's one of my favorite salad cheeses. Like if you're not a goat cheese person yet, please try it. And I love getting the one at Costco because it's just really good and it comes in a double pack because I like a lot of goat cheese. I have to have another bite. This is so good. And again, you don't even have to toss it because you can see that just by serving it, lifting it up with those salad tossers or salad servers, it coated the salad just perfectly. Total holiday salad. Let me know if you guys try this. If you guys are looking for more salad recipes, dun dun dun! Some of my all-time favorite salads are in my cookbook and favorite salad dressings like this maple vinaigrette. So I will link to this in the notes if you haven't gotten yourself a copy already. Let me know if you guys have any recipe requests and let me know where you spotted Sharky in the video. We'll see you on the next episode of Natasha's Kitchen. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. This is so good. Honey, you gotta get over here. It's so good. Sweet, savory, tangy, creamy, crunchy. The pumpkin seeds are nice too. And you can substitute them with other nuts, but I think they're nice. I think it's very fitting. The persimmon look like little pumpkin